Do you know what this means? Is this acceptable? You need to know how to use an apostrophe and a contraction, or at least know what they mean when you see them. Mike, what is a contraction? Don't worry, Mike, that's simple. A contraction is a word, syllable, word group that is created by an omission of letters or sounds. What? Let's just go over some examples. Here's some contractions right here. Can't equals cannot. Let's equals let us. And 'twas equals it was. So a contraction just puts words together into a condensed form, and a apostrophe just replaces the missing letters. It's really that simple, but let's revisit this example from earlier. Goin is just an informal version of going. A practice like this, though, is fairly uncommon in business. You're more likely to see this limited to novels or other fictional works where it's important to capture the accent or a particular pronunciation of a character. I'll also note that contractions generally are not typically used in formal writing. There's nothing grammatically wrong with using them, but if you want to come off as polished as possible, you typically want to split out the words. The important takeaway here is that an apostrophe is used to form a contraction and just signifies missing letters. If you're going to pronounce a particular contraction, just pronounce it as you read it, like 'twas instead of it was. There's a number of use cases for apostrophes. I did another video on apostrophes in possession that is linked in my description, so check it out if you haven't seen it. Let's communicate better together. Follow me for more.